Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a house we just bought. I literally just left the closing. We're in Tammany Parish in Slidell. So I haven't seen this house yet, right? So I'm going to bring you in for the first time. I haven't actually looked at it. Look, my team has. So I've seen photos. I have a team who'll come and they'll take the photos and assess it. And my contractors have walked it a bit, so I feel comfortable buying houses like that without seeing it. But I must admit, whenever I close and I drive for the first time, I get a little scared. So I got Robert, one of my contractors, with me as well. He's coming to look at it as well. He hasn't seen this one. We have to clean it out, so we're ready to clean it out. So let's have a look. It was an inherited property, so it'd been in the family for 30 odd years. But Mum had unfortunately passed on, and the kids are ready to go. So yeah, okay. I can smell the smoke. And it's going to need a bunch of work, which we knew. Some mold, So yeah, obviously they did not want to fix this up. There was actually a tenant living in it. They just moved out, actually. All this stuff in the house, they left. We agreed, when we buy a house, we buy them as is, so you don't have to clean up. They took everything they wanted and left the rest for us. So yeah, we're gonna have to clean this out. So yeah, look guys, this is the sort of houses that we buy. So if you have a house like this that you don't want to mess with yourself, that you just want to sell in as-is condition, then reach out to us. homebuyerlouisiana.com. You can check out our website, get all the information. Thanks so much guys, have a good one.